If you want this quality, you are at the right place. Just simply crop your image in 9:16 format. Now open Rimini app and import the image. Now click on Enhance Quality and save the image. After saving image, open Ucum Makeup app. Click on Photo Makeup, then click on Gallery and import the image. Now click on Retouch, go to Smoother and smooth it 30%. Now go back and click on Makeup. Let's make up her. Click on Lipstick and add whatever you like. You can do some adjustments from here. Now click on Face, then click on Blush. You can do cheeks makeup from here. You can adjust pattern from here too. Click here if makeup is spreading too much. Now click here. Now click on Highlights. From here you can make face brighter. After this, click on Face Paint. From here you can add extra stuff. Now go back and click on Eye. Add whatever you like. I add some eyelashes and eyeliner. You can add lens too. You can also set the size and color of lens from here. I like the last one. Now go to Hair Color. From here you can add shine and color. Now go to Accessories. From here, you can add extra stuff. Add whatever you like. I add glasses and earrings. After this, just simply click on Save button. Now close the app and open Maidu app. Now click on Photo and import your image here. Now click on Toning, then click on Color, then go to HSL. From here, remove background color. You can change skin color too. After this, go to Detail and sharpen your image. You can add some vignette too. Now go to Blur option and blur background. Click on Classic Blur, then go to Area. Adjust it manually for perfect blur. Brush the part which you don't want to blur. Now adjust blur. Now click on Save option. Here is your final result. Make sure to like the video. If you face any problems, let me know in comments. Subscribe us to grow our YouTube channel. See you soon.